Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ferox Band. Today we have a truly special and heartwarming story. Buffalo Bills quarterback Josh Allen has officially tied the knot with his longtime love, actress Haley Stanfield. From their wedding celebration to Stanfield's secret honeymoon details, we have got it all covered. Stay tuned for all the key details. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share and drop your thoughts in the comments below for more uplifting stories. Buffalo Bills quarterback and reigning NFL MVP Josh Allen recently celebrated one of the biggest milestones of his life off the field. He married actress and Oscar nominee Haley Stanfield in a beautiful ceremony in Santa Barbara, California. The couple exchanged vows at the luxurious San Ysidro Ranch Gardens beneath a black and white canopy. Stanfield stunned in a Tamara Ralph white mermaid gown, while Allen looked sharp in a classic black tuxedo. The star-studded wedding weekend quickly became the talk of the town for its romance and elegance. Right after the celebrations, the newlyweds took off their honeymoon. In the June 13 issue of View Society, Stanfield revealed, the next day after the wedding, Josh and I ran off into the sunset to our honeymoon. Now we are back and it's been a whole 13 days of being married and we will be staying on this high forever. Fans were curious about their destination, though Allen kept it secret, only sharing a photo collage on Instagram captioned wifey. The picture showed them celebrating on a private jet, with Allen even introducing Haley to his favorite pastime golf. Later in the August 15 issue of View Society, Stanfield finally revealed they had spent their honeymoon in Hawaii, where she showed off some of her favorite Devon Wested swim pieces. Since returning, the couple had spent time between Los Angeles, Buffalo, and the NFL preseason. They enjoyed a date night after the Bills game against the New York Giants, and now Allen is preparing for the matchup with the Chicago Bears on August 17. Allen told the NFL Network on July 27 that he's feeling great in training camp at St. John Fisher University. Reflecting on his journey, the 29-year-old said, "Pretty cool. I got to marry the woman of my dreams, my best friend. I get to play football for a living, and in the off-season, I get to hang out with my family and golf a little bit. So yeah, it's not too bad." Earlier this summer, he also praised Stanfield's influence on his life, calling their marriage the most important decision I will make, and saying she makes everything easier. From their romantic wedding to a tropical honeymoon in Hawaii, and now balancing football, family, and love, Josh Allen and Haley Stanfield are proving their story is nothing short of a modern fairy tale. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit on bell icon.